Ready? Here we go.
Whoa! Not so fast!
You're almost here.
Phew, I made it!
Yeah.
Ready?
Struggle all you want, you won't get free!
We'll see about that.
Yeah! You're going down, fish breath, says the penguin who slips on his own shadow.
What happened? I feel dizzy!
Too slow!
Run!
You can't escape!
Ready, set, pull! Heave-ho!
What are you doing?
Just a friendly tug-of-war. One, two, pull! He's moving! Wee, this is fun! Almost there.
All right, pull on 3!
But it's heavy! I can't hold it! Why us?
I don't know.
We must keep going.
Together.
Ooh.
BONK. Seal rope underwater. No, it was Pengo's yank first. Then I told you penguins should never play tug-of-war.
Wow, look at the lights. They're dancing just for us. Let's dance too. This hot cocoa is perfect for a cold night.
It really is! Cheers, friends!
Goodbye.